In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename playlist on Spotify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to make the change stick across your devices, all in just a minute or two. First, open the Spotify desktop app and log in. If Spotify isn't already running, launch it from your Applications or Start menu. If you're signed out, the app will prompt you to enter your credentials before you can continue. Make sure you're on the desktop app rather than the web player, since the options we're using appear consistently in the desktop interface. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar. This is your navigation hub, where all your playlists live. Find the playlist you want to rename and click it to open its page. Opening the playlist isn't strictly required to rename it, but it helps you confirm you've selected the right one, especially if you have several with similar names. Now, right-click the playlist name. You can do this in two places, either directly on the playlist's name in the left sidebar, or at the very top of the playlist page where the title appears in larger text. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way, and on some keyboards, you can hold Control and click to bring up the context menu. From the menu that appears, choose Rename, or you might see Edit Details depending on your version of the app. Both options take you to the same place. If you see Edit Details, a small window will open with the playlist's information. Focus on the field labeled for the playlist name. Type your new playlist name. Go for something clear and specific so you can find it easily later, like Morning Focus Mix, instead of something generic. This won't change the songs inside the playlist or affect who follows it. It simply updates the title. When you're happy with the name, press Enter on Windows or Return on Mac to save. You'll see the new title update immediately in the sidebar and at the top of the playlist page. That's it. Your renamed playlist will sync to your other devices using the same account. If you don't see the change right away elsewhere, give it a moment to refresh. If the rename option doesn't appear, make sure you're right-clicking the playlist title itself, not a song or a folder, and confirm you have permission to edit the playlist if it's shared. Quick recap. Open the desktop app and log in. Select your playlist in the left sidebar. Right-click its name. Choose Rename or Edit Details. Type the new title, and press Enter or Return to save. You're all set.